Hi there. In previous video, we have discussed the artboard in detail. Today we will learn how to move or navigate in the artboard. Open up a document. The first tool which we will discuss is hand tool to navigate in the artboard. As you click and hold the space bar, you can see your cursor is changed into hand. This is the hand tool. This is used to move the artboard. You can drag it with mouse anywhere. You can activate the hand tool from the tool panel in the left side of the window. The short key is H. The second tool is zoom tool. As you click on Z key from the keyboard, you will see some type of magnifying glass icon. If I zoom the window, you can see the plus sign. If you click on the artboard, it will be zoomed in, and if you hold the Alt key, the plus sign will change into minus. Click on the artboard, it will be zoomed out. You can activate the zoom tool from the tool panel in the left side of the window. The third method which I am sharing, if you see in the left bottom of the software, you can see the percentage of zoom is given in it. You can zoom in the artboard to the 64,000%. You can select any percentage which is easy for you. Here is also fit to screen option available. This will fit the artboard to the screen. So in this video we have discussed how to navigate in the artboard, in which we have learned two important tools. One is hand tool and the second is zoom tool. I hope this video will be informative for you. If you have any question, comment below in the comment section. Keep watching for more videos. Thank you.